Experience issues with Credential Manager in Windows 11? Don't fret. Discover quick fixes in just 10 seconds to get it up and running smoothly again. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. In the Run box, type initccpl.cpl and press Enter or click OK. From the Internet Properties window, press on the Content tab, and within Autocomplete section, select Settings. Now uncheck all options and click on OK button to save changes. Click the Settings button again, enable all options and click on OK to save changes. Go back to the General tab and from Browsing History section, click on Delete. Now cache will be cleared, so in the end you should reboot your machine as the problem should be solved. Press Windows key plus R and enter Regedit. Press Enter or click OK. From Registry Editor, go to the following path: hkey_current_user software Microsoft Internet Explorer main. Head your attention towards the right panel of the Registry Editor. From there, select the Form Suggest PW string. Right-click on the same, select Edit String, and within the Value Data field, enter Yes. If you can't find Form Suggest PW string, you can manually create it by right-clicking the right pane and choosing New String Value from the menu. Enter Form Suggest PW as the name and repeat the instructions from Step 4. Close Registry Editor and reboot your Windows 10 device. Press Windows key plus R and enter services.msc. Now press Enter or click on OK. A list of services will now appear. Locate the Credential Manager service and double-click it. Set the startup type to Automatic and click on Apply and OK to save changes. Press Windows key plus S and enter Credential Manager. Select Credential Manager from the list of results. When Credential Manager starts, make sure that Windows Credentials is selected. Now click on Add a generic credential. Enter the required information and click on OK to save changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.